Hi, my name is Carson Miller, and this is a somewhat different type of video. I don't plan on uploading more videos like this, but I could find literally nowhere on the internet a solution to this problem, and so I feel like I need to put it out there to help anybody else who ever comes up with this issue. So, if you are somebody who knows that you have one of these in your lawn, and you can't find it because it's got buried beneath grass, and you just don't know where it is. You know the general location of where it is, but you cannot find where the downspout leads to. If that is you, then I've got the solution to find your downspout. And it's probably the easiest solution to this issue that I've found anywhere on the internet. It's only been talked about in like one forum somewhere, and I'm surprised I wasn't able to find this solution sooner. So for me, in my scenario right now, I am trying to find where that downspout leads to. From the direction that it's going into the ground at, I thought that it was going to go out this way, and I believe it's going to go out this way. But after my solution to finding the end of the downspout is to use fog. And in my case, I do happen to have a fog machine, which puts out a decent amount of fog, but you could use other forms of fog, such as smoke bombs or dry ice fog if you put some water and dry ice down in the tube. But in my case, I do happen to have a nice fog machine. And the way that I'm going to go about doing this is I've got a shop vac hose attached to the end of the fog machine. It's not fully attached right now. So I have the shop vac hose just so I can stick this far down into this tube. And then once this is all attached, all you got to do, turn on your fog. Like me, you may want to cover up the end of this by either stuffing some rags down in there, a shirt or something like that. But you may not need to, because eventually, would you look at that? Fog is coming out of the ground. So as you can see, fog is clearly coming out of the ground here. So that is where it's at. This has been buried for literally the last, I don't know, I'd say the last 10 years maybe. But wow, literally this has been hidden, and we thought that it got completely buried into the ground. But would you look at that? There is the drain. This is why this is important to do this. This was all down in that drain, and there's even more, and there are cleaning practices of being able to clean this out, but I'm not going to get into that in this video because that would be too advanced for this type of video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that is why you should know where your drains are, so then you can clean them out every so often. It's crazy that that's all it took to find this. I found so many odd solutions of trying to find these drains, including using like long fish lines and expensive metal detectors, as well as just sticking pipes down into the pipe in order to hear it. But I've got to say, this had to be the easiest solution that I found, and I'm so happy that I found it, because where I showed you originally, this is not where I was expecting the drain to be. So in most cases, you generally know where the drain may be at, but say you're at a new house or something, hey, I found it, and that took only a matter of maybe a couple minutes. This can be a very simple solution and cost effective as well, because to get even just cheap smoke bombs, that only costs a couple dollars. So there you go. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope it helped you out, and if it did, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Also subscribe if you want to see future videos from me. Like I mentioned, this is not the typical content that I do on this channel. It's usually technology videos, so if you are into that type of thing, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below as well. But with that being said, that is pretty much it for this video. See you maybe in another video. Peace.